Welcome, everybody. Andy Parsons has already welcomed you guys, but I'm going to welcome you too. This is the first Open edX meetup in New York. Michael is the organizer of this, and we're all co-organizers, and we're all very, very excited to see you all here. So I am going to talk about McKinsey Academy and how we hyper-extended the edX platform. I just want to get a quick check. Are there any developers here? All right. Who here is familiar with the edX platform in general? OK, good. So my role at McKinsey Academy is I lead the product engineering side of it. So I won't get too geeky. We can obviously talk about stuff after, but I'll just give you a quick overview and a demo of the site. So this talk is going to cover what is McKinsey Academy. I'm going to show you a quick demo, because I'm more of a demo kind of person. I don't like presentations and slideshows. In fact, I didn't even make this slideshow. It's somebody else who made it. So it's Jennifer out there, wherever she is, Jennifer Gormley. So what is McKinsey Academy? So McKinsey Academy is a learning platform which is catered towards the business community. We build courses that empower individuals in organizations to kind of learn new skills or build on their existing skills and grow into their organization and kind of build their skills. So some of the courses that we offer are like problem solving, business communications, business strategy, those kind of things. We are fairly new. We launched last year in September. So you can go and check out our site. It's mckinseyacademy.com. So we have, just quickly giving you a rundown of what the features we offer. And we have like a lot of distinctive features and dimensions, some of them being interactive exercises with deep feedback. We have social learning components. We have a lot of performance metrics and team projects that you can do on the site. In general, we have a very, very engaging learning experience. We've worked really hard on the product side, and kind of making it a very nice design and UX, so that kind of thing. So I just want to make sure you guys understand. So McKinsey Academy is not a MOOC. It's not a SPOC. We cater towards the business community. We have cohorts that are drawn from multiple companies. We also have private cohorts in our system. So MOOC is more of a massive online open courses. We cater towards more smaller cohorts, which is like about 200 or 300 people. Like edX, for example, has a lot of MOOC courses where there are thousands of people logged in, and they're all students in the course. And we don't do that kind of thing. We are more kind of a smaller kind of setup and more customized kind of systems. So I can talk more about the distinctive features. I really want to kind of breeze through this stuff because I want to show you the demo of the site. But some of the features are individual learning. We have assessments through the course and courseware. We have a lot of interactive, immersive video content, transcripts, those kind of things, and of course interactive exercises in the courseware. On the social aspect, we have a global cohort. We have a beautiful map on the site. We have a very active discussion forum. And there's this concept of group work and group projects, which I'll explain more about. And there's also game mechanics, leaderboard, those kind of things on the site. So group projects I would say, is kind of one of the core distinctive features of McKinsey Academy. It's kind of like you with a few of your coworkers can work together on a project. You'll be given a kind of a goal or some kind of submission that you need to do. Everything is set up online. You can collaborate online. You can upload the document. There's also a concept of peer feedback and team feedback, and then eventually there's grading, which the McKinsey Academy content team works on. So again, I'll go through this on the site demo. So one thing I do believe is a firm or any company the success of any company is all catered towards the people, how awesome they are, how they work together. That's at the end of the day, that's what matters. And I just wanted to quickly show you we are real people. We're not only digital. We're all here. We work at this awesome space, WeWork, which is great. It's very dynamic. There are a lot of other companies that work here, and some of the McKinsey Academy guys, if you want to put your hands up, McKinsey Academy folks, you can talk to them later. It's been a great year working together. Quick call out to the product and engineering side, because I'm biased towards those guys. Andy Parsons, who's the CTO, is right there behind, and Jennifer Gormley, who's the lead product design person. So without these guys, I don't think we'd have this product up so quickly. So I'm actually a student, part of a business strategy course. So when I log into the site, I can see my course. There's this beautiful navigation that we've designed, giving you an idea about what McKinsey Academy is about, and this is available online. You can definitely check it out. There's a nice navigation on the left-hand side telling you what courses you're part of, because we offer multiple courses. I'm just going to show you the business strategy course. So I click on that, and it takes me to the course homepage. So these are my course lessons. I have 4 or 5 lessons that I need to do. It's a nice, beautiful navigation that we have here. Proficiency, progress, and engagement are kind of metrics that kind of add to your points as you go through the courseware. So like, if right now I'm 29% towards the end of the course, and then proficiency is more tied towards my grade. So if I have, right now I have a grade of 2, which sucks, but it is what it is. And then I'm just going to quickly go through. So this is the courseware where all my lessons are listed out. I'm going to quickly show you one lesson. So this is kind of type of a module, like a kind of interactive exercise. We have different types. This is more, it's called Image Explorer, but it's kind of like giving you more deep feedback as you go through the course content. There's video content too. Quickly want to show you one more. This is the video player that we have. I don't do much coding. I try to, but I think I designed that part, so I'm very proud of it. These buttons. Yeah, that's my coding. So, but the main coder is right here, so it's not me. And there are MCQs and all that stuff. There's a really nice thing called drag and drop where you can drag your whatever you feel your analysis is, you can drag it into the right bucket, and it gives you deep feedback. So overall, it's been a lot of fun building this, and the courseware has been great. I'll go through discussions. It's a very active discussions board. You can put in your discussion, select a topic or make a new topic, and those kind of things. We also have a concept of TAs. So like if you post a question here, a McKinsey Academy TA will get back to you with whatever suitable answer that is for that question. Cohort. This is our beautiful cohort map. It's about to load. Yep, there it is. We have a leaderboard, so kind of this whole gamification thing to it. I know Jennifer doesn't like the word gamification, but that's what it is. You can see your group members. You can see all the other users that are taking this course. Kind of give you an idea of how global this your reach is for this course. And you can see your progress, how you're doing in the course. Again, I'm not doing really well, 2%. And I think I've gone through most of the lessons, except for these. And then there's other, side stuff like supplementary content and course overview that we show in here. So everything is kind of powered by this nav icons that we have here. And lastly, I'm going to show you group work. So group work, the group that I'm in, we are a lot of people. Usually we just have a maximum of 3 or 4 people. I'm in a group of 6. I can see what the group work, the goal is, what the strategy is around it, what the deadlines are, what the materials. All this is provided by the McKinsey content folks and the instructional designers. And then as I go through my group work and I work with my peers, I can submit my document and also discuss with them if I need to. There's a discussions module here. And there's also this awesome concept of team feedback and evaluating each other. So once you're done with your group project, you can kind of evaluate your teammates, saying, hey, he was good, he sucked, he rocked, whatever, all that stuff. And also there's a concept of peer feedback. So that I think is one of the great selling points of McKinsey Academy. It's been really a lot of work building it, but it's been a great outcome. A lot of people were interested in enhancing the group work. So that's the site. I'm just gonna quickly go through how it was built. I'm not sure how many people are interested, but I'll just quickly skim through this. So McKinsey Academy was built in collaboration with edX. So one of the things that we did when we started out, remote is, oh, there it is. We wanted to understand what the edX platform is about, what can it offer, how can we kind of build upon that platform, because we are a customized platform. As you look at the UI, I don't know if any of you have taken an edX course, but the skin and the UI and the design of our site is very, very customized. So we thought about the architectural needs for McKinsey Academy. One of the things that we needed was a courseware API. We needed an API so we could pull courseware through Studio, which is McKinsey, which is edX's LMS interface. So our course content folks, instructional designers, would put in their content in Studio, and they would put in all the course content and all that stuff, and we would pull all that content via the courseware API. Roles and permissions was required, companies and students. So we have this concept of multiple companies and private companies too. So we needed to establish that kind of a system so that we can associate correct companies and users with companies and private companies. We also had cohorting for group projects, which you saw, peer assessments, peer grading, private discussions, and analytics tools. McKinsey folks are very, very stringent about analytics. We want to know, all kinds of behavior, and we want to know all the metrics. So analytics has been very, very important and has been one of the core systems we built for McKinsey Academy. The architecture. So this is a very, very high-level architecture, but I'll quickly go through it. So this is the edX platform and environment where all the content lives. They have their own database. There's forums. And the middle layer is this API that we built in collaboration with edX. Apros is our custom interface. It's called Apros from the Green Lanterns, if anyone knows about them. But Apros was like the only easy kind of way you could pronounce it, because the rest of the Green Lantern folks, they have very complicated names. Anyway, analytics, authoring tools, all that stuff was built for McKinsey Academy and customized.